find for the following sequences. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, find the 16th terms, the 58th terms, and some of the first 12 terms. So we're going to repeat these questions for each of them. Okay, we do A, B, C, and D for each of the questions. So let's see question 1, solution. Solutions. Want to find the 16 terms of this number 1. We have 4, 7, 10, 13. 4, 7, 4, 7, 10, and 13. The 16 terms. We know the nth term is u1 plus n minus 1 into bracket d. Okay, for 16 terms, it means the n is 16. So that will be u16 equal to u subscript 16 equal to, my first term here is what? Is 4 as the first written number, plus n is 16. Find the 16 terms. That is 16 minus 1, that's 15, and then times the common difference. Look at the patterns, it's increasing by 3. Okay, 4, 7, 10, 13. So common difference is 3, which is 7 minus 4. And it's also the same as what? 10 minus 7. Also equal to 13 minus 10. Okay? So the final answer will be equal to 4 plus 15 times 3. That's 45. 45. So the answer is 49 for this one. That one is done. Number B. We're still on the same question. Find the 58 tens, U50, the 50 tens, the 58 tens, U subscript 50 will be equal to first 10 plus n minus 1 into bracket d. Do the same thing also. The first time is 4 plus n is 50 minus 1 times d. My d is 3 times 3. And that will be equal to 4 plus 49 times 3. And that will be equal to 4 plus 49 times 3, that will be 147. 147. That's 49 times 3, that's 147. So we add it together, we have 151. Then the C parts. The C parts. The sum of the first 12 tens. The sum of the first 12 tens. That will be, there's a formula for sum. 2a plus n minus 1 into bracket d. So that's that. So for the 12 tens, the n is 12. So that will be n is 12. Sum of the first 12 10. That will be equal to n is 12 into brackets 2 times a. My a is 4. So 2 times a, 2 times 4 plus. Our n is 12. 12 minus 1 times the common difference times 3. And that will be equal to 12 over 2. That's 6. 2 times 4, 8. Plus 11 times 3. That's 33. 12 minus 1, that's 11 times 3. That's 33. And that will be equal to 6 into brackets 8 plus this 8 plus 33, that's 41. Okay, and that will be equal to 6 times 1, that's 6. 6 times 4, that's 24. So that's that on that question. And then the last part, D, we are told to find the sum of the first 25 tens. Okay, sum of the first 25 tens. Okay, that will be equal to sum subscript 25 x 25 equal to 25 over 2 into bracket 2 times a. My a is what? My a is 4, then plus 25 minus 1, and then times 3. And that will be 25 over 2 into bracket 2 times 4, that's 8, plus 24. 25 minus 1, that's 24 times 3. Okay? And you can use a calculator. 24 times 3, that's 72 plus 8, that's 80. So we have 80 here, 25 over 2. Okay, so that will be 2 here 1, 2 here 40. So the answer is what? 25 times 40. 25 times 40, that's for the sum of the 25 terms. 25 times 40, that's 1000. So we've done that. So we just I'll just take the second one, then you also can try the third one. Okay, we'll do the second one also and repeat the process for the second question. Yeah, number 2, we have the 100, 93, 86, 79. Okay, test for get the common difference. Is it arithmetic progression or not? Let's test that. That will be 93 minus 100, and that's what? That's minus 7. Okay. Can you also check another one? 86, the third time, minus second time. 86 minus 93, that's also minus 7. So it's a arithmetic progression. Okay, so D is minus 7. Then we need to find the 16 times, and then U1, the first time is what? Is 100. So U16 for the B parts. For the A parts, U16 for the A parts will be equal to U16 will be equal to U1 plus n minus 1 into bracket D. And my U1 is what? My U1 is 100 plus 60 minus 1, that's 15, times the common difference is minus 7. Okay, we can take our calculator and multiply that. That will be 15 times minus 7. That's minus 105. 100 minus, so that's minus 5. That one is done. And let's get the 58 times. The 58 times U50. U50 will be equal to U1 plus n minus 1 into bracket D. Your U1 is what? The 100. 100 n minus, that's 49. 50 minus 1, that's 49 times minus 7. That's 100. 49 times minus 7. That's minus 343. And that will give us minus 243. Okay. Then the C part, the sum of the first 12 tens. That will be n over 2 for the formula, 2a plus n minus 1 into bracket D. So that's that on that aspect. Then we can do the substitution. The n is 12. That will be 12 over 2 into bracket 2 times my a is 100. Or a is 100, the first written number. That's the a. Then the n is 12. That will be plus 11. 12 minus 1, that's 11 times minus 7. Okay, and that will be equal to 6 into bracket 2 times 100, that's 200 minus 77. 11 times minus 7, that's minus 77. So that will be 200 minus 77, and then times 6. So that gives us 738. Okay. D part. Sum of the first 25th times, that is U25, equal to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket D. Okay. My n is 25 over 2 into bracket 2 times a is 100. In this case, a is 100. And then my n is plus 25 minus 1, that's 24, times my d. My d is what? My d is minus 7. D is minus 7. And that will be equal to 25 over 2 into bracket 2 times 100, that's 200. Then minus 24 times minus 7. 24 times minus 7, that's a minus 168. Okay? And then 200 minus 168, that's 32. And then times that's 32 times 25 over 2 times 32 times 25 divided by 2. That gives us 400. So for the third one, we have this minus 9, minus 6, minus 3, and that. So find the 16 times. So that will be equal to u16 equal to u1 plus n minus 1 into bracket what? D. And my u1 in this case is minus 9, and then plus. My n is 16. 16 minus 1, that's 15. 16 minus 1, that's 15. The common difference. If we check this one, you realize that, let's get the common difference for this case. The common difference for this case is d equal to minus 6 minus 9. And that will be equal to minus 6 plus 9. And that's 3. Okay? If you also take this, the third time, or the third time minus 3, the third time minus second time, the third time minus second time, you get the same thing also. That minus 3 minus 6, that's also 3. Okay? So, confirm. Also, the fifth term minus the fourth term, you get 3 also. So, the common difference is 3. So, that means the sequence is increasing by 3. Okay? So, that will be what? N minus 1, that's 16 minus 1, that's 15 times what? Times 3. And that will give me minus 9 plus 45. Okay? Then you can do the algebra for that. Minus 9 plus 45. That's 36. So the first one is done, 36. Then we go to the B part. B part, the sum of the 58 tenths. Okay, the 58 times, that will be equal to u1 plus n minus 1 to bracket what? D. My u1 in this case is minus 9, and then plus 50 minus 1, 49, times what? Times 3. Okay, now be equal to minus 9 plus 147. So, minus 9 plus 147, that's 138. 138. Okay, that's done. Then go to C part. The sum of the first 12 tenths. As you know, the formula I've told us from the beginning of the class that the sum of an arithmetic progression is this formula. We have discussed this from the beginning of the class, from the beginning of this episode. So that's the sum. Then the sum of the first 12 tenths. Okay? Sum of the first 12 tenths. When they are asking for sum, they always tell you sum of the first 50 tenths, sum of the first 10 tenths, sum of the first 58 tenths, and so on and so forth. And so forth. Okay? And so on and so forth. So we have all the parameters. N is 12 in this case. That will be 12 over 2. That's 2 times, my A is what? Minus 9. And then the plus. N is 12. N is 12. Sum of the first 12 tenths. So that will be 12 minus 1. That's 11 times. My D is what? My D is 3. My D is 3. Then make your substitutions. Then will be 12 over 2. That's 6 into bracket. 2 times minus 9. That's minus 18. Okay. Then plus 33. Okay, and that will be equal to minus 18 plus 33. That's 15. That's 6 times 15. That's 90. That's 90. Then the last one, sum of the first 25 tenths. The last question, which will be equal to D. Same way, some of the 25th times, that will be 25 over 2, into bracket 2 times what? 2 times A is what? Minus 9. And then 25 minus 1, that's 24, times what? Times my D is 3. So that's that. That's that. Just use a calculator and get the final answer. So that's that on these arithmetic progressions. Okay, if you're new on this channel, okay, please subscribe right now and click on notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Okay.